What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike LeBron 9 in the Big Bang colorway. Today's video, as always, is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of thick winter boots or for sneakers, you're gonna find there's a suitable pair for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I personally find them very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So the year is 2012, and Nike Basketball has just launched arguably their greatest and their most iconic basketball shoe pack of all time. And part of that All-Star Game pack consisted of this one right here, the Nike LeBron 9 in the Big Bang colorway. It's crazy to think how fast time has flown, but I still distinctly remember when these originally launched, but it's been 10 whole years, and Nike Basketball has decided to retro these for the first time ever. So these actually dropped in the States, I believe, sometime in February, and I've been waiting and hoping for a Canadian release, but so far I don't think there's been any drop north of the border. So this pair retailed for a price of $240 US, which is the equivalent to roughly 305 Canadian dollars, and the colorway for this shoe is Total Orange, Reflect Silver, and Team Orange. And though I never owned a pair of the originals from 2012, just based off of the eye test, I think they did a really good job on this recreation. So first off, here's a quick look at the box. Just like the original release, this comes in a white-based cardboard box. We have the LeBron James crown logo on the top done in this shiny red finish, and on the side of the box we have LeBron's name printed on in this shiny translucent finish. So taking a closer look at the shoe, so the LeBron 9, for the most part, the upper is constructed out of a mesh or nylon material, but we have strands of fly wire which are embedded within the nylon and extends from the base of the shoe to the top, giving you added structure and support. Overlaid on the front toe cap, we have this large fuse overlay, which is done in this bright orange color, and this helps give you added lockdown and added durability. Right next to this, on the medial side, we have this reflective silver 3M swoosh, and then on the lateral side, you'll see that same bright orange fuse. This covers the mid panel and covers the eyelets of the shoe as well. Underneath this, we have this large padded textile, which is given the look of carbon fiber, and glued on top of this, we have a larger swoosh also done in this reflective silver 3M. On the back of the shoe, we have more of these fuse overlays, along with that same mesh or nylon material that we saw earlier on the front. And then glued on top, we have this diamond-shaped LeBron James logo, which is actually glow in the dark. And attached to this, we have this woven pull tab, and the very top of the pull tab is also glow in the dark as well. For the laces, so these only come with one pair of laces, and they're a flat style lace done in this orange color. On the bottom loop of the laces, right in the middle, we have the LeBron James crown logo once again. The lace tips are wrapped in this silver colored finish, and we have LeBron James' signature found here in orange. And then the laces intertwine through these tabs on the side, which are also done in this reflective silver finish. And the tabs also incorporate fly wire technology, and the reason and the purpose for these tabs are they really give you that added level of lockdown if you really want to cinch up your laces really tight. So underneath this, the bottom half of the tongue, this is constructed out of this nylon finish. And the top of the tongue is well padded. We have more of these fuse overlays, and stitched at the very top, we have this diamond-shaped patch, which depicts a scene in space with LeBron James line logo zipping through the stars. So the back of the tongue and the inner liner of the collar, this is screen printed with a space theme, which makes sense given the whole galaxy theme of that All-Star Game pack. And you'll see that the inner collar of the shoe is very well padded. As for the insoles, so the insoles also come with a galaxy print on it, and they're just your standard ortholite foam insoles. So the upper of the LeBron 9 sits atop this full-length Phylon foam midsole. The midsole is painted in this dark orange finish with speckling of bright orange throughout. And then underneath the heel, we have an Air Max 180 unit for cushioning and impact protection. And underneath the forefoot, but not visible to the eye, we have a responsive Zoom Air unit. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, the outsole here is done in this glow-in-the-dark finish. In its natural state, it has more of a minty green colored look. We have these flex screws on the forefoot to give you added flexibility, and they've injected another layer of Phylon foam on the heel, which is this gray colored hit, and you'll see there's a LeBron James logo here once again. And visible on the medial side, we have this glass shank plate, which is given that galaxy print once again, and this helps with the torsional rigidity and the midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Big Bang LeBron 9s. And for those wondering about sizing, overall this is a pretty snug fitting shoe, so I'd recommend going up a half size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a 10.5 and they fit me great. And I feel like even if you have narrow or normal width feet, I'd still probably recommend going up that half size. This generally is just a snug fitting shoe. So unless for some reason you just like a super snug one-to-one fit, then going up that half size gives you a little bit more breathing room in your toes. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so far I've only worn these and tried these on for casual use, and as of now I don't plan to ball in these at all. However, from just a strictly casual use perspective, I think this shoe feels great on feet. With its full-length Phylon foam midsole, coupled with the air unit on the heel and the Zoom Air unit on the forefoot, just by walking around in them, you can really feel that technology underfoot right away. And even though the LeBron 9 is a bit more of a bulky and heavier shoe, even for someone like myself who I don't really consider myself to be that heavy, the responsiveness of that Zoom Air is evident right away. And if you're the type of person that likes more of a well-cushioned, bouncier feel on foot, then you'll probably like these. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, from a material quality standpoint, the majority of the materials are synthetics, so it's kind of hard to judge it from a quality standpoint, as the material choices were picked from a performance lens. However, from an overall build standpoint, I thought this pair was perfect. I didn't notice any flaws at all with my pair at all. So in my opinion, it seems like a very well-crafted, faithful recreation of the Big Bang LeBron 9. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Even though it's not as common to wear basketball shoes casually anymore as they once were back in 2012, I think for many LeBron fans out there and for many Nike basketball fans in general, they were very excited to see these being brought back by Nike. And to me at least, the Big Bang is one of my favorite and the most important LeBron 9 colorways of all time, and I'm a sucker for anything glow in the dark, so I was very excited and eager to add these to my collection. Obviously, this won't be the easiest shoe to pull off, but having lived through the actual OG release of this shoe, at this point in time, I don't really care. I'm just buying what I like. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the LeBron 9 Big Bang. For anyone watching, were you guys able to grab these for retail? Did you pay resale if you struck out? Or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram as well at esco8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.